What's going on? This is My Life in the Shot. I'm your host, Donald Washington. Now, Terrence Clarke, 19, played guard for the Kentucky Wildcats. He died yesterday in Los Angeles, April 22nd. Collided with another vehicle that was trying to make a left turn. He then hit a pole and then hit a wall. He announced just recently he was entering the NBA draft. He was signed to Clutch Sports. I guess Clutch Sports is somebody like an agency who negotiates the deal or whatever when you are entering the draft. He's from Boston. He committed to Kentucky in 2019. I'm going to show you a little bit of video of his mom.
I thought about it and I was like, oh no, he's not a Duke kid. He is more a Kentucky kid. Carlton Banks is more like a Duke. And you're rough around the edges, so you're more like a Kentucky. You're more like a Will Smith. So that's how I put it.
Good Lord, she got some.
That's why I figured that would be perfect for you.
He had some skills. He was good. Anyway, I want to bring you guys also Keenan Hooker, 30 years old. He was shot multiple times on Pulaski in Calumet City, April 21st. This happened around 1:50 a.m. The circumstances are unknown. This is where it happened at out here in this area right here. What is that? Hair and nail salon. Alright, so this is the area where it happened at here. 20 years old, Davius Failure, 12200 block, South Harvard and West Pullman neighborhood. This happened on April 21st. It was April 21st, Wednesday. This is the area where it happened at here. This is the block. Trying to be nosy. What's down here? Anyway, his Facebook page was here. It's only 20 years old, man. Heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. Good morning, loves. Why, my only son? I love you, son. Alright, so this is another one. Mario Sanders, 29 years old, on the 1400 block of South Millard, North Lawndale neighborhood. This happened on the April 21st, same day, Wednesday. It was chest and the shoulder. Happened around 7 p.m. He was taken to Mount Sinai Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. They go to police out there questioning somebody. But this happened right out here. Tierra Banks, 24 years old, on 1200 block of South Indiana, West Pullman, South Side, April 21st. This is all in one day, people. Wow, by a church. See what is down here. What is down here? Alright. Anyway, also Alexis Wood. She was 29. She was shot at about 5:37, 159th. This happened April 19th, which was Monday. Alright. Yo, understand when it gets hot, when it's about to get warm, and it's about to get warm. Let me see. They said right outside of Food Mart, so I'm guessing this is it right here. This Food Mart right there. I think they said grocery store, something like that in the article. Down here. Well, I'm thinking, I guess it's right in front of here, right out here. Now that's a kindergarten, a little, right out there. And that's a Domino's Pizza. This is in Harvey. H-Town. So he said a grocery store. Anyway, it's getting safe out there. I mean, it's getting hot out there. Y'all stay safe out there. With the warm weather is gonna come a lot of crazy stuff. Anyway, thanks all the people that's on my Facebook, all my new subscribers, everybody sending me stories. Shout out to everybody sending me stories. I appreciate it. Whatever y'all send me, I try to get to them. I got a lot of stories to get to. Keep sending them to me. You can send them to my email, Facebook, YouTube. Make sure you guys, Facebook, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Go to YouTube. Go to My Life in the Shop, My Life in the CHI. Why isn't my joint on here? Anyway, like, subscribe, My Life in the CHI. Go to YouTube. Hit that notification button. Peace.